Ever feel unsure about when you last changed your Instagram password? In this video, I'll show you how to find your complete password change history using the Instagram app. It's quick and simple. Start by opening the Instagram app and logging in. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring you to your personal account page where you can manage all your settings. Now, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your main menu. From the list that appears, select your activity. This section helps you keep track of everything you've done on Instagram, from likes to settings changes. Scroll down and tap on Account History. Here you'll see a full timeline of all changes made to your account. This includes things like username edits, bio updates, and password changes. To focus only on password updates, tap the filter option at the top of the screen, then choose Update Type. From the list that appears, tap on Password and then hit Apply. Instagram will now show only the times your password was changed. You'll see exact timestamps for every password update linked to your account, giving you a clear view of your security history at a glance. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and stay safe online.